Most people chase money, while the history richest people learned how to command it. The average person spends decades working for money instead of mastering it, and that's the biggest financial trap of all. So what exactly do the wealthiest people in history do differently? Let's break it down. Number 1, own assets, not just income. If you want lasting wealth, start here. Here's where most people go wrong. They trade time for money. Andrew Carnegie didn't get rich from a paycheck. He built steel empires that worked while he slept. Start small, invest in assets that appreciate: stocks, rentals, royalties. Quick fact, the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Let's move to another timeless rule that billionaires live by. Number 2, leverage debt to build, not consume. If you want to scale wealth, you need to rethink how you use debt. Poor people use debt to buy. The rich use it to multiply. JP Morgan financed entire industries through smart debt. A credit card spree isn't leverage, it's sabotage. Use debt for things that generate cash flow, not clutter. That ties into our next point. Who really controls your money? Number 3, control is greater than ownership. Once you understand leverage, you realize control is even more powerful than ownership. Rockefeller didn't own everything, he controlled it through trusts and foundations. Control gives you flexibility, privacy, and tax advantages. You don't need to own the business, own the structure. Speaking of control, how much are you letting lifestyle own you? Number 4, live below your means even when you are rich. Here is a mindset shift that keeps wealth intact across generations. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Wealthy people don't look rich, they stay rich. Cut lifestyle inflation, buy freedom, not flax. But freedom doesn't come without discipline. Number 5, think in decades, not paychecks. Now let's zoom out and look at the long game. Long-term thinking builds fortunes from Ford to Bezos. Most people think monthly. Rich people think in eras. Invest with a 10-year lens, not a weekend one. This final mindset shift is what separates builders from the burnouts. Apply just one of these principles and your finances shift forever.